Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We have a beach villa here at Santander, Cebu. Guys, pwede mo makatimbal ding diri. Pwede mo makabarkada, barkada mingle, or barkada yayaan. Pwede ragid kaayo. Then, relaxing kaayo, nindot kaayo ang palibot. So guys, what are you waiting for? Book now. Kung sa pay gidugayan, PM na dayon, kaaron i-book na nato. So enjoy, have a good day.